How to download and install drivers for HP computer. There are different ways to download and install drivers for HP computer, depending on your preference and convenience. Here are some of the methods you can try. Using Windows Update. Windows Update can automatically download and install new updates for your computer, including some drivers. To use this method, you can follow these steps. 1. Go to Windows Settings, click Update and Security, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates button. 2. Wait for Windows to scan for available updates and install them automatically. 3. Restart your computer if prompted. Using HP customer support software and driver downloads page. This is the official HP website where you can find the latest drivers and software for your HP products. To use this method, you can follow these steps. 1. Go to https://support.hp.com/us-and/drivers and enter your product name or number in the search box, or click the Identify button to let HP detect your product automatically. 2. Select the driver language and the operating system as Windows 10 from the drop-down menus. 3. You will see a list of available software and driver categories for your product. You can choose the category and download the executable driver file, .exe file. Or run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. Using Device Manager. Device Manager is a Windows tool that allows you to manage the devices and drivers on your computer. To use this method, you can follow these steps. 1. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. 2. Find the device that you want to update the driver for and right-click on it. Select Update Driver from the menu. 3. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software or Browse My Computer for driver software, depending on whether you want Windows to find a driver online or you have downloaded it from HP website. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. If you encounter any problems or need more assistance, you can contact HP support or visit their online community forums. Learn more. 1. Official HP registered laptop drivers and software download. https://support.hp.com/us-and/drivers/laptops. 2. HP PCs, downloading or updating software and drivers. https://support.hp.com/us-and/document/ish_28572045-4091755-16. 3. HP PCs, installing drivers manually in Windows. https://support.hp.com/us-and/document/ish_28511117